Hey, what's up YouTube? My name's Kelly and this is Keycaps DIY, where we take old used keyboards and give it a new feel, look, and sound. With it being Lunar New Year's, I wanted to make a special keyboard for the Year of the Ox. Today we have the Ducky One White TKL that I found on the Facebook market for $70. With this keyboard, I was thinking of basing the colors off of the red envelopes that are given out during the holiday, and I decided to go with red and gold keycaps that were on Amazon for about $25 each. Taking apart the keyboard was relatively simple. All there is to it is to remove the keycaps and unscrew the bottom of the case. Then, taking a ruler or any thin durable item, we just pry the top case from the bottom. There should be these small tabs that connect the two pieces. All you gotta do is pop them out on every side. Then all that's left to do is to detach the micro USB from the PCB and remove it from the case. For switches, I didn't want to use the brown switches that the keyboard came with, so we're just gonna get rid of them. I had some extra stabilizer pads from a previous KBD build, so I used them here. I also decided to replace the stabilizers with some Durock plate mount stabilizers from Divinity. They are lubed and clipped. I would have wanted to go with some sort of green switch to represent the money people get when opening red envelopes, but the only ones I knew of were Kiwis, which I don't have the heart to put into a Ducky, and MX Greens, but I hate clickies. So we're just gonna go with some Gateron Blacks lubed with Krytox 205 grade 0, since I already had them lying around. Shameless plug here, but I also stream over at Twitch at Kelly and Keycaps. There I like to build any personal keyboards I buy, and play Valorant and Minecraft in my free time. So if anyone wants to come through to chill and geek over keyboards, the link will be down in the description. Now back to the keyboard. The first thing I always do before spray painting is sanding. Sanding down the case gives it a nice rough surface for the paint to cling onto. I typically spray soapy water all over the case and sand it down with 400 grit sandpaper. For the spray paint, I am using apple red Rust-Oleum satin paint that I got from my local Home Depot. The key to spray painting cases is to do multiple light coats with time to dry in between. I usually wait between 7 to 10 minutes between each coat until fully coated. Then I coat the case with clear coat about 4 to 5 times to protect the paint from any accidental smudging and chipping. After all of that, I left it to dry for 2 days before putting it all back together. Since this is my first YouTube video, I wanted to try something new, so I wanted to use water decals for the first time. The first few tries were a complete fail because I removed the paper back before positioning it on the board and it made the decal not stick. But after a few more tries, I finally got them on. So without further ado, here is my Ducky TKL Year of the Ox keyboard. Overall, I liked how this DIY turned out. The gold keycaps were a little difficult to type on, but I made this keyboard to display, so it's fine. There are a few things that can be improved, like the water decals and some more tuning to the stabilizers, but I'm happy with it and it will look nice up on my shelf. Thank you all for watching my first episode of Keep DIY. I definitely want to make more keyboard videos in the future and improve my DIY skills. So if you have any suggestions or tips, please comment them down below. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more from me, leave a thumbs up and click that subscribe button. I'm Kelly and Keebs, and I hope to see you guys again. Peace.